I am out testing to see if my GoPro will actually want to record this time. I went to offload video from the SD card a little bit ago. Found out that the last thing I have saved on there was from almost a month ago. Granted, I haven't been doing too much recording, but I had a test ride that I did last week that I wanted to make a video on, and now I have no footage for, because GoPro decided to just not save it or something. I don't know. So right now I'm just out test recording to see if it'll actually save this or not. And I've seen a lot of videos of people complaining about GoPro and it corrupting their footage and losing stuff, so I shouldn't be surprised. But still, it's just disappointing. Yeah, it's four-way stop there. As you can see, I still have the Rebel. It has not sold yet. It really kind of sucks. I would like to, get something else before the end of the riding season, but yeah, well, who knows? Maybe it'll be a next year riding thing. Maybe if it does last to next year, I'll get my payments on this bike down to where I can just trade it in for to a dealership or whatever, and not get screwed on trade-in value or something. I don't know. I don't like the idea of trading into a dealer, especially when you already still have a loan on a vehicle. But yeah, like I said, I had a couple videos worth of footage on that camera that I hadn't pulled off yet, but now it was gone. A couple weeks ago, me and a group of people went for a pretty long ride, about 260 miles for a day. And now that's just all gone. It sucks. And then test riding a bike was fun. I went out and test rode a Ducati Diavol V4. Now that's all gone too, which is horrible. Especially because the dealership that sells it is 2 hours away. So I can't just go back and re-record it easily. Oh, does it sound like a trike up ahead? I'm almost, if this doesn't work, I'm tempted to get rid of a GoPro altogether and just get get me a DJI, like Osmo Action 3 or something. It's kind of ridiculous when it just won't save your footage. It is a hot as fuck day here in Idaho. This is saying 101, but I think that's misreading a little bit. I don't think it's 101. I think the high today is supposed to be like 100, but yeah, not much of a difference really. Hot as fucking hot. Oh, 24 street glide. Nice. Yeah, looks good. Now, I know there's been a lot of controversy about the new model year for Harley road glide and street glide. Some people love the redesign of the fairing and the headlights and all that. Some people hate it. I don't know, I'm in the camp that likes it. I like the new design. I don't like the older stuff. I didn't see the truck up here. I thought I was going to be at the front. Right. Well, not like it matters. What the hell is that? There's a fucking giant piece of wood in the road. I knew it. My good deed for the day, I guess. Like, it looked like some siding, like house siding or something. I don't know. Alright, well, the camera still says we're recording. So hopefully it's true, not lying to me. I guess I could also check for any firmware updates when I get home. Maybe that was something that might cause an issue. It's been a while since I plugged it in. Oh. Hey, little sport bike. I don't know what they're doing. Cybertruck. They painted it black? Okay. That's the second Cybertruck I've seen in town. I actually saw one earlier today that was still silver. And that black one. Hope they enjoy their the truck that can't do hardly any truck things. Fucking Texas Roadhouse smelling really good right now. Fuck. I guess someone's gonna pop in here and see if this shit's recording or not. Maybe grab coffee. Hanging out in my favorite parking spot. It's right here. Oh, alright, well, maybe back in a minute. I don't know. Alright, well, stopped in for a quick drink. Also looked at the GoPro. It looks like it kept the footage, so maybe we're okay. Oh, hello. What are you? You look like you're... I don't know. Alright, bud, you're gonna have to get off. Come on. You gotta move. Alright, come on. Sorry, guy. There you go. And this a little grasshopper, I think. Weird. I wonder where he came from. Let's see if we can get out of here. I guess we'll go this way. I don't have a real destination in mind. So hopefully I'm able to get all this on, but I really don't have anything to talk about either. Maybe next time I go for a ride I should think of something to ramble about. I don't know. I'm not good at rambling while doing things. I need to practice. Tend just to go silent when I'm thinking about something. Motherfucker's sitting there with a burger in his hand, trying to drive. Like, put the food fucking down, dude. Fucking people, I swear. Can barely drive normally, let alone trying to fucking eat while doing it. Anyways, I don't got nothing else to do, so hopefully the footage came out. If it did, you'll see it online, I guess. If not, then I'm fucked. If it doesn't come out, I'm getting a fucking DJI probably, or some other camera. Maybe I should just do it anyways, because I don't hear anything about them like corrupting footage or losing footage. Alright, I think I'm going to cut any video here, because I got nothing left to talk about. So if this is posted and you made it this far in the video, thank you very much. I appreciate you coming along for a random rambling ride. Hey, I knew that bike. I can't even speak properly. Yeah, thanks for coming along, and catch you later.